welcome to Emma.ca, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you my everyday dewy makeup look, and this is how it looks like. It's very easy to do. If you want to see how I get this, what I use and how I do it, please just keep watching. Okay, so I just put my hair up. For an everyday look, I normally just use my MAC Face and Body foundation. Mine is in the shade C3. It gives you a more like a natural dewy finish, so I really like it. And normally I just put it onto my hand. This is really lightweight. You can see it's almost like a watery consistency. I just dot it onto my face. Blend it with my fingers. It has the light to medium coverage. I actually do want to add a tiny little bit of coverage. It's on the cheeks. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna move on to concealer. The concealer I'm using for this look is from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me concealer. And mine is in the shade 20. And then just covered up my dark circles. And also the little zit on my face. And then cover up the zit. Same as before, I'll be using my fingers to blend the edges a little bit, and then just use my sponge. I'm gonna use a little setting powder just underneath my eyes and then in the T-zones, because that's normally where I get oily. The setting powder I'm using is from Makeup Forever. It's their HD high definition powder. And normally I just use this powder when I don't take a lot of photos, because this one is an HD powder. It does flash back, so I don't want to take flash photographies using this powder. But on a day-to-day life, it's really good. It blurs out your the pores, and it does a really great job of perfecting it. Setting my whole face, since this foundation, it doesn't need a lot of setting. It's very sheer and it has a tiny little dewy finish. I really like it, so I'm not gonna just set all over my face. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. The brow pencil I'm using is the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit, the one with a bigger tip. I'm gonna use the spoolie to go over my brow hairs first. The pencils to fill it in. I'm gonna be focusing more on the tails of my brows so that it looks more natural and fluffier. Alright, so the brows are done. Now I'm gonna move on to eyeshadows. Day-to-day base, I really don't use a lot of eyeshadow. I just use one color and put it all over my eyelids just to give it a tiny little bit of definition. But today I'm gonna be using this Tom Ford palette in the shade Honeymoon, 04 Honeymoon. So it looks like that. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I'm just gonna take a bigger fluffy brush that looks like that. Is from Real Techniques. It's their deluxe crease brush, and then just dip it into this shade. And then I'm just gonna go over my eyelids, all over the lids. Also, I'm gonna go over my lower lash line with a smaller brush using the same shade right here. On a day-to-day basis, I do want to do a tiny little bit eyeliners, however, I don't want a huge wing line. I'm just gonna do a baby wing and then just do a very thin line across the lids. The product I'm using is from Bobbi Brown. It's the gel liner. I'm just using the tiny little travel brush that comes with the product. This is actually very beginner friendly. This is one of the first eyeliners that I ever used. Okay, that's the liner. Next, the mascara that I'm using is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, my favorite mascara. It gives your lashes a lot of length as well as volume. I really love it. I'm gonna be putting 2 coats on each eye. Now we're gonna move on to a little bronzer just to give the face a little more definition. And then the bronzer I'm using for today's video is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I have the shade Deep Bronzer. This one is really good. It's almost gone already. I'm gonna be using Morphe M530. Also gonna do a little nose contour. Okay, so we're gonna move on to a blush. The blush that I've been really enjoying lately is from Burt. It's in the shade Toasted Cinnamon, and then it looks like that. It's just a little nude-ish sort of shade. It's like a sun-kissed look. It's like you're blushing from within. It's really pretty. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the highlight. We can't forget about the highlight, eh? The highlight I use for a daily look is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. It's really pretty. This one is more natural, so it's better for like a daily, everyday look. So, what's the lip color that I want to use today? Normally, I just use like glossy lip color for an everyday makeup. Today, I'm gonna be using this one from YSL. This is their liquid color Balm. It's in the shade number 11. It's really pretty. I'll do a swatch for you guys. It's like berry-ish color lip balm. Looks like that. It's a little berry tone, eh? It's really pretty on the lips. Last but not least, we're gonna use some setting spray, and I'm gonna use the Morphe one. This is one of my favorites. Oh my god, I just used it up. Okay, I need to go get a new one now. Okay, now that brings us to the end of this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you in my next video.